Now here all the numbers are in prime basis. All the numbers are in prime basis. Concept I will discuss. Suppose if I take an example, n1 is equivalent to 12, n2 is equivalent to 15, n1 is 12, n2 is 15. 12 can be written as 2 square into 3 power 1. 15 can be written as 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. n1 it is 12, n2 it is 15. Now I want LCM. LCM of n1, n2. Whenever the input numbers are in prime basis, LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime base. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. Highest power of the given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. Always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. 2 square. 2 square it is not there in n2. So highest power will be 2 square. 3 power 1, 3 power 1. Highest is 3 power 1. 5 power 1. 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. Answer for this question is 60 for this example. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. I hope the concept it is very much clear to you, right? So let us look at this question. n1 is given as 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. n2 is given as 2 square into 5 square into 7 power 1. n3 is given as 3 cube into 5 square into 7 power 1. n1 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. n2 is 2 square into 5 square into 7. n3 is 3 cube into 5 square into 7 square. Now I want LCM of n1, n2, n3. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. 2 cube is present here. It is not present in any of the other two values. 2 cube. 3 square, it is present in n1. 3 cube, it is present in n3. So 3 cube will come. 5 power 1, 5 square. So 5 square will come. Here 7 power 1 will come. So answer for this question is 2 cube into 3 cube into 5 square into 7 power 1. 2 cube into 3 cube into, right here 7 power 2 it is there. So n cube it has to be 2 cube into 3 cube into 5 square into 7 power 2. So answer for this question is option A. Answer for this question is option A. Why sir? Why? Because 2 cube 2 square, what is highest? 2 cube. 3 square 3 cube, what is highest? 3 cube. 5 power 1 5 square, what is highest? 5 square. 7 power 1 7 power 2, what is highest? 7 square. Very very important concept. What is the concept that is being tested here? LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. I hope this concept is very much clear. The numbers will be given in the power of prime basis. There are two kinds of questions that will be asked. One is LCM and another is HCF. LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. Next one. Least common multiple of two numbers it is 588. Which of the following cannot be their highest common factor? Concept. If you see here, let me take two numbers 6, 9. Let me take two numbers 6, 9. LCM of 6, 9. LCM of 6, 9. Whenever you are doing LCM, you will take the largest number, 9. Is 9 divisible by 6? No. Next multiple of 9 is 18. Is 18 divisible by 6? Yes. So, LCM of 6 comma 9, it is 18. HCF of 6 comma 9. Whenever you are doing HCF, concentration is on the smallest number. Will 6 divide 9? No. What is the factor of 6? 3. Does 3 divide 9? Yes. So HCF of 6 comma 9 is 3. HCF of 6 comma 9 is 3. What is very important here is, now if you see 3, does 3 divide 18? Does 3 divide 18? Yes. That means HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is always a factor of LCM. HCF is always a factor of LCM. HCF is always a factor of LCM. Is this concept clear? That means answer should be a factor of 588. Answer should be a factor of 588. Answer should be a factor of 588. That means answer option should divide this number. Answer option should divide this number. You don't need to look at all the answer options. 35 cannot be the factor. 35 cannot be the factor. Question is cannot be, sir. Question is cannot be. 35 cannot be the common factor for this number. Why, sir? Any number multiplied by 5 multiple, answer unit digit will be 0 or 5. 35 into even number, unit digit will be 0. 35 into odd number, unit digit will be 5. That means answer, which one cannot be the factor? 35 cannot be the factor. I hope the concept is very much clear. What is the concept that is present in this question? HCF is always a factor of LCM. HCF is always a factor of LCM. 35 does not divide. 35 does not divide 588. Any number multiplied by multiple of 5, unit digit has to be 0 or 5. Unit digit has to be 0 or 5. I hope the concept is very much clear. Next one. Read the question, sir. HCF of two numbers in the ratio 15:11, it is 13. Now, if you see here, concept, very important concept. Let us assume two numbers are A and B. HCF of A comma B. Let me call it as H. Two numbers are given. Their HCF it is given. HCF of A comma B is H. So, A can be written as HK1. B can be written as HK2. A can be written as HK1. B can be written as HK2. What are K1 and K2? K1 and K2 are co-prime numbers. Very important concepts. HCF of A comma B is H. So, A will be HK1 and B will be HK2. When it will concept be right? When K1 and K2 are co-prime numbers. When K1 and K2 are co-prime numbers. A is HK1, B is HK2. This concept we are using here. HCF of two numbers in the ratio 15:11, it is 13. Two numbers are there, A and B. Two numbers are there, A and B. Their HCF it is right. Their HCF it is 13. That means it will be 13 into K1. Am I right? And it will be 13 into K2. Two numbers HCF it is given as 13 and the numbers are in the ratio 15:11. So definitely this will be 13 into 15 and this will be 13 into 11. This will be 13 into 11. Are you all with me? Then what is that I require? Find out their LCM. LCM of A comma B. LCM it is LCM of 13 into 15, comma 13 into 11. 13 into 15, comma 13 into 11. LCM, whenever you are doing LCM, sir, if there is any factor common, take it out. 13, 11 and 15 are co-prime to each other. LCM of co-primes is their product. So, it is 13 into 11 into 15. See, you can do it in multiple ways. Now, if you see here, 13 is an odd number, 11 is an odd number, 15 is an odd number. 15, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Answer should end with 5. Answer should end with 5. If I approximate it to 13 into 11, if I call it as 10, 10 into 15, 150 into 13. It is 1950. Answer should be just greater than 1950. This cannot be, this cannot be. Answer has to be 2145. Answer has to be 2145. You can do it in multiple ways. Answer should be divisible by 13. 165, it is not divisible by 13. Answer should be divisible by 11. Answer should be divisible by 5 and 3. Answer should be divisible by 5 and 3. Any multiple ways you can use. LCM of A comma B. Here important concept, 13 into 15, 13 into 11. 13 is out. 15 and 11 are co-prime to each other. Co-prime numbers. LCM is their product. So it is 13 into 11 into 15. 11 I approximated to 10. So 15 tens are 150. 150 into 13 is 1950. 11 is greater than 10. So answer should be just greater than 1950. Answer should be just greater than 1950. I hope the idea it is very much clear. This is a very important concept, sir. Good number of problems we are going to execute this concept. Very, very important concept. HCF of A comma B, it is H. A is HK1 and B is HK2. Fifth problem. I hope the idea it is clear.